a spaghetti chicken salad. It's going to be great for picnics, but it's also good for indoors. You can eat it hot or cold, so it's a very versatile dish, very colorful, flavorful, and I think your whole family will enjoy it. Today we're going to be adding chicken in it, but I put it on the grill. When you actually do it, you can do it that way, or you can actually substitute chicken for something else. You can do it on the inside, you can do leftover chicken. It's a very versatile, easy to make, but very healthy dish. So I'm looking forward to showing you this. So let's get into it, but before we do that, I want to thank you for actually subscribing. If you haven't, please do, and click on the notification button because you'll get the new uploads. Also, we're going to be putting the recipe, all the ingredients, in the description box below. So thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Let's create.